undoubtedly it's evolved. You know, that's for sure. I think people's knowledge now, regionally, is a much higher level. So the depth of discussions, by definition, are at a higher level, deeper, which is great. And as I say, that's driven by people's knowledge and understanding. Coupled with that, in terms of the forum, undoubtedly the quality of the panels is better, the depth, and also the breadth. Previously, when it kicked off, a little bit more Bahrain focus, now very regional and also global. So we started our sustainability journey 3 years ago. And from those sort of small acorns, we've expanded. And that's because, you know, as you touch on there, Bank ABC is global. So say we've got around about 5,500 people, only about, 10% are actually based in Bahrain. So we've got operations in Brazil, New York, UK, Europe, obviously GCC, North Africa, MENA, and also Southeast Asia. We've got an operation in Singapore. So we've got a central team, Group Sustainability, that's based in Bahrain. We're 4 people, including myself. But in total, we've got 16. So I think that there's quite a spectrum here that we're talking about when you're talking about clients. We have clients that are quite far down their sustainability journey. We've got clients at the other end that are a little bit embryonic, or maybe don't have anything in place, right? And that's understandable. But I'll give you a few examples. There's an agriculture company that we work with in Egypt. They produce berries, blueberries, all these sorts of things. They have now are using satellite mapping, very progressive satellite technology to help on their irrigation, so they know per foot square how dry the plant is, how much irrigation they have to give them. Also, they know to the millimeter the size of the berry, so they can commit to, say, Waitrose or M&S, say, hey, we can commit that we will be able to supply you these big juicy berries because, of the technology that they have. Just another little showcase example for you. There's an olive oil company that we work with. Once again, organic olive oil, they supply into the big UK, European supermarkets. And back in 2018-19, they introduced blockchain. So if you by then now, if you go and buy their product, you can look at the barcode and you've got that governance and verification of where it's picked, where it's processed, where it's shipped, etc. They were doing that technology, blockchain, to provide that verification back in 2019. So that's what I'm saying. It's not one size fits all. There's a lot of exciting examples of very progressive companies. At the same time, there's companies that want to move down the curve but are really at the beginning of the journey. So we're working with companies right across that whole spectrum, ultimately across 5 continents as well.